Hi guys, good morning. So today is Wednesday, January 29th and almost noon actually, 11:56 a.m. But we are in Charleston, South Carolina today. And I'm planning to go in a kind of like a lot of places. I took a screenshot of the places that I want to visit here in Charleston, South Carolina, because this is like my first time here. And my husband is currently in the gym and he's gonna meet me somewhere because I have to go out first and it's gonna be cold, and I'll just meet him somewhere like in a place. But it is like 50, it's gonna be 59, like the 60, like the highest, and that's still kind of chilly a little bit. And it does have a sun, but it's still kind of chilly and like windy. So like I said, it's 59 degrees. And I have, hold on, let me show you guys like the screenshot place that I want to go. So I want to go to the Uptown Social. It's in King Street. And I'm also want to go to the Rainbow Row, which is like a tourist attraction here in Charleston, South Carolina. And they also have the Waterfront Park, which is still near to the Rainbow Row. And what else? Well, this is a fully beach, but we're supposed to go to the beach, but the weather's not cooperating, so we're gonna skip on the beach. Even if yesterday we were planning to go to Cocoa Beach, you know, we went there, but we were planning to swim, but like I said, it went cold. And like I said, the weather just literally changes. So that's my plan for today. I want to visit King Street as well, which is like the shopping area on Charleston. So I have like Uptown Social, which is like the King Street, Rainbow Row, and the Waterfront Park. It's like 4 to 5 places that you guys can visit when you're here in Charleston, South Carolina. I think I'm just gonna get a cab. I have to download Uber back again, or Lyft, or I might just walk. I'll say, because it's the King Street is like only 6 minutes drive, so I don't know if how many minutes that we're walking, but I'll update you guys. I repeat my outfit, don't at me. This was yesterday's outfit. I literally just wore this dress for like a good couple of hours, and then I changed the dress. But anyways, I don't have any long or like long sleeve dress, or any just like long sleeve in general. This is the only long sleeve dress that I bought with me. So this is from Forever 21. I'm gonna wear this today, and I know our room is kind of messy, but I'm also gonna bring my bag today, which is the Louis Vuitton pochette bag, and I'm just gonna wear like that one from, I think, Forever 21 as well. So that's that. This is my fit and my makeup. Okay, so I'm going to Rainbow Row or Waterfront Park first, because it's like a half a mile here, and I'm just gonna walk. It's not that cold actually. And that's our ship right there. So I'm gonna find this street that it's on my maps and just follow along that street, and it's only just like literally straight. So I'm just gonna walk there to the Waterfront Park. Here you go guys, I'm here at Charleston Waterfront Park. I'm gonna walk over there a little bit. just gonna walk around a little bit, and I'm gonna go to Rainbow Row. You guys, look at this view. Oh my goodness, this view looks so perfect. I like their little townhouses here. They have a brick house. So cute. I believe this is the Rainbow Row right across. And look, it's like a stone. Look at that colorful townhouse. Light pink, cream white, kind of like a yellowish white, and this brick. And I believe this is the Rainbow Row. It's basically just townhouses, but they're so colorful. You got mint green, purple. There, I think I'm gonna go right across. Okay, you guys, so we're done at the Rainbow Row, and it's basically just a townhouse that I'm just reading it. It's Rainbow Row is the name of a series of 13 colorful historic houses in Charleston, South Carolina. So I badly want to pick over there, but since I'm alone and my husband's not here to take pictures with me, I did a self timer, and hopefully that'll turn out good. And anyways, after this I'm gonna go to, I believe, King Street, but that's kind of like a long way, and I'm gonna put it in my maps if how many minutes is that. It's basically just a lot of shopping area in Charleston, South Carolina. Say hi. Hi. What's your name? What's your name? Annabelle? Yeah. And what's your name?
My name's Sarah.
Sarah, okay. And what's your name?
Sophie.
Sophie, and your name?
Mary Logan.
Yours. You gonna hold the camera? Are you guys visiting, or are you from here?
We're here.
Visiting? Okay. In the cruise, or?
We had a field trip today.
Oh, field trip. I'm in the cruise.
About an hour and a half away.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha. All right. So this young girl just want to say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
I'm just visiting right here.
Are you?
Yeah, we're in the cruise. So I have like 7 hours.
Oh, okay.
And I'm waiting for my husband to come in here. Yes, the Maryland.
Maryland?
Yes, all the way in Maryland. I stopped by at Urban Outfitters earlier, and I'm headed to Uptown Social right now to meet my husband. I think we're gonna eat lunch over there. It's 11 minutes walk, and after that I'm gonna check out the Cupcake down south. I'm still in downtown, and I'm just gonna walk because I kind of like the scenery. And oh my goodness, look at this church. That's huge. It's St. Matthew's Church right there. Ice cream shop. Oh, this is the Cupcake downtown south. So we're gonna come here later, but kind of want to get some cupcakes, but later. They close at 7 p.m. so I'm gonna go there later. Oh, this guy. They have roof deck upstairs, but since it is raining, they closed the rooftop. The main reason why I came here was to go rooftop, but if you guys want to visit, make sure it's not rainy day or it's not chilly. Here's our food. We had chicken yesterday as well. Yes. We're here at the Cupcake down south. Ooh, they got strawberry and cream, red velvet, black and white. I think I'm gonna get this Dead by Chocolate. You sure you don't want none? They even have vegan. 7:30. Hi. Can I get the Death by Chocolate? Hey guys, if you're in Charleston, South Carolina, downtown, make sure to stop by at this cute place named Cupcake down south. I'm trying to remember the name, but I got the Death by Chocolate and it's really freaking good. Oh my goodness. I wish I didn't eat a lot at the Uptown Social because I can like literally probably eat more of these cupcakes. I'm also getting a shake, which is, I picked up the strawberry and cream cupcake, mix it with soft served vanilla ice cream, which is really unique and I haven't heard of. And I have the Death by Chocolate. It's good. The shake tasted so good. If you are visiting downtown, make sure to stop by at the Cupcake down south. I highly recommended it. They have the best cupcake. Hey guys, so I am going to the Louis Vuitton store. It's right here. I just want to ask if they have the bag that I want. So I'm just gonna ask if they have availability because I know it's really rare to get that bag, but I'll be back. Going back to Uptown Social. I think I'm gonna get a drink before we leave, and I will show you guys what I got from Louis Vuitton. They don't have the bag that I really want, and so I just got another stuff from Louis Vuitton, but I'll make another video, like separate video just for that. But anyways, I'm gonna go right across. Okay, I couldn't make it because it's alright, but this is how they look like. This is still in King Street, I believe. Yes, I'm getting a drink. That's good. Anyways, I'm getting a $2 pulled pork because he said it's good.
Happy hour.
It's happy hour at Xoxo. We're back here again. Oh, baby, they sent me the whatchamacallit, not that one. This.
Oh, they got Wi-Fi here. Look at me though, look at me in the back.
Hold up. They can't see it because it's too bright.
Look at me in the back. I photobombed you. I photobombed you. Look.
I don't know if you can. Oh, there you go. That was earlier. Yes.
That looks better than mine.
This is the $2 pulled pork.
You can see the if you turn to your right shoulder right there, you can see the Royal Caribbean sign. You see it?
I'm gonna end the vlog here and hope you like Charleston, South Carolina. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Oh, by the way, before I even end this vlog, I want to say hi to the girls that came up to me earlier when I was at Starbucks. Actually, the mom came up to me first. She asked if I'm a YouTuber. I said like yes. So I forgot their name, but they mentioned their name on the freaking video earlier. So hello, nice to meet you guys. So anyways, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next vlog.